Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to customize. Okay, guys, how can you actually customize quick controls on your Tesla touchscreen? So what you want to do, guys, is first, of course, guys, you want to open up the control menu. Okay, open up the control menu. Just tap on the controls at the bottom corner of your touchscreen. This is where you'll find all the customization options to make your Tesla experience just right. So in the controls menu, you just go to quick controls. Here you can easily change settings like mirrors and steering wheel position. You can change brightness without diving into deeper menus. So you can actually, guys, customize your shortcuts, guys. So to make it yours, what you can do is look for options like lights, mirrors, and a display brightness, and arrange them however you like. These settings will stay right here for easy access every time, and I'm going to give you a quick tip. So adjusting mirror and steering wheel, guys, adjusting mirror and steering wheel positions here will save them to your driver profile, so it's just right for every time, each time you drive. Okay, so once you've set it up the way you like, simply tap save or exit the menu. Your custom quick controls are now, guys, ready to be used anytime you need them, guys. And that's it, guys. Hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further. Until then, see you in the next one.